Creating horror stories can be a fantastic move since this niche isn't too crowded. So today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from crafting your script to bringing your story to life. And by the end of the video, I'll also show you how to make a creepy horror thumbnail using an AI tool. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about writing the script. Instead of just saying, "Give me 10 horror story ideas," I like to use a more detailed prompt. Here's my approach. I ask ChatGPT to act like a professional horror story scriptwriter. Explain the context of my story, and then outline the format and task. When you give a prompt like this to ChatGPT, you'll get much better results than just asking for 10 horror story ideas. Copy any of the ideas and ask ChatGPT to create a complete story based on that idea. If you want to learn more about writing the perfect prompts, check out the video I'll link in the description. To create visuals, you'll need specific prompts. In this prompt, I ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for each scene, ensuring they're as detailed as possible. The more specific the prompt, the better the images you'll get. For images, I'll be using Leonardo. It gives you 150 credits every day, and each image costs 10 credits. You can also use Ideogram, but keep in mind it only gives 10 credits every 12 hours, which can be limiting if you need to generate a lot of images. That's why I prefer Leonardo. Just go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, then paste it into the input box. From the left sidebar, select the anime style and set the ratio to 16:9. Then hit generate. You'll get 4 images. Choose the one you like best and download it. Creating audio now. Let's bring your script to life with audio. I recommend using 11 Labs for this. It's one of the best text-to-speech models out there and offers a variety of voices. Sign in with your Google account, and from the left sidebar, go to the voice library. You'll find a bunch of voices to choose from. I'll pick one for now. Keep in mind, you can only add up to 3 voices unless you go for their subscription plan. Paste your script into the input box and click Generate Speech. Once that's done, download the audio file. To make your static images truly pop, we'll use Pixverse to turn them into animated sequences. Head over to Pixverse, log in with your Discord account, and select Generate Anime. From the left sidebar, in the prompt box, type Select Image to Video, import your images, and hit Enter. Watch in awe as the AI transforms your still frames into moving pictures. Repeat this process for all your images. It all together. Now it's time to put everything together using Clipchamp. Import all your scenes and audio. We'll also need some eerie background music and sound effects. I'll provide links to these in the description. Drag and drop your scenes, audio, and background music into the timeline. Adjust the scenes and sound effects to match the audio, and add glitch and pixelate transitions between scenes for that extra spooky vibe. To add subtitles, click on Captions, then hit the Transcribe Media button. You can customize the font style, size, and color to fit your theme. Once you're done with all the editing, export your video in 1080p for HD quality.
In the small, fog-covered village of Ravenscroft, where secrets linger in the air like mist, a reclusive antiques dealer named James had always been drawn to the macabre. One chilly autumn afternoon, while rummaging through the dusty backroom of a local antique shop, he stumbled upon a peculiar vintage gramophone. Its brass horn was tarnished, and its wooden base was adorned with intricate carvings of ominous faces twisted in agony. An odd shiver ran down James's spine as he touched it, but curiosity overrode his hesitation. "This one's been here forever," the shopkeeper muttered, almost as if to himself. Never could find out where it came from or why no one ever took it. Intrigued, James purchased the gramophone along with a set of old records that were stored with it. They were blank, with no labels or markings, yet something about them felt strangely heavy.
Like that, your first horror story is ready. Lastly, let's create the thumbnail. Head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt to generate a thumbnail idea based on your script. Paste the entire script into the input box, and it will give you a prompt. Copy that prompt. Go to Leonardo, paste it into the input box. Set the model to anime, and the aspect ratio to 16:9. Hit generate, and once you see an image you like, download it. Next, open Canva, upload the image, and adjust it to fit the thumbnail size. Add some text using the blood drip font, perfect for a horror vibe. Write the main title or any engaging phrase you want. Then click download to save your thumbnail. Wrapping up, thanks for sticking around until the end of this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.